Hi guys, welcome to the fourth episode of 18 Area with Spusiso Jauke. It's another weekend of football, guys. But before I give my predictions for the weekend's fixtures, let's just recap on what happened last week. So last week, guys, I gave predictions for 9 games, 5 English Premier League games, and 4 Betway Premiership games. So out of 5 English games, I got 3 right, guys. The first one being Manchester United against Southampton, United winning 3-0. The other game that I got correct was Manchester City coming from behind to win 2-1 against Brentford, thanks to a brace from Erling Haaland. And the last game that I got correct, it's Everton against Aston Villa. Aston Villa coming from 2 goals down to win 3-2. And then the 2 that I got incorrect, it was the North London derby. I gave Spurs the win, but Arsenal won the game 1-0. The other one, it's Liverpool against Forest. I think everyone was shocked with their results. Nottingham Forest winning 1-0 against Liverpool away from home. And then in South Africa, it was 4 matches. There I got 2 correct. The 2 correct games that I got, it was Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, both winning 2-1, coming from behind against Marumo Gallants, his Kaizer Chiefs, and against Chippa United was Pirates. So the other 2 fixtures I got incorrect, guys. The Tshwane derby, I gave that game a draw, but Sundowns won 2-0. And the other one, it was Cape Town City playing against Royal AM. I gave Cape Town City a win, but they played to a 1-1 draw. So I'll give my predictions for this week's fixtures again. I'll try with the English Premier League again, as well as the Betway League. So the first game of the weekend, the Barclays Premier League, I've got Crystal Palace playing against Manchester United. United are playing away, and they won the last game 3-0 against Southampton, but I see them losing this one. Crystal Palace to win because of the home ground advantage. Crystal Palace are playing at home, so I see Crystal Palace winning that game. The other one, we've got Liverpool against Bournemouth. Last week I gave Liverpool the win, but they lost 1-0. So I'll take my chances again with Liverpool. I'm giving Liverpool the win against Bournemouth. And then another fixture, we've got Tottenham playing against Brentford. I gave Spurs the win last time out, and they lost 1-0 to Arsenal. So this time around, guys, I am giving Spurs a lose. Brentford to win the game. Another fixture that we have, it's Leicester playing against Everton. Both teams have not won. I believe Everton have lost all of their 4 games. So I see Everton winning their first game of the season. So I'm giving Everton a win against Leicester City. And then the big one on Sunday, we've got Manchester City playing against Arsenal. Both teams have not lost any game since the start of the season, both winning their last matches. And Arsenal won against Manchester City and drew last season. So Arsenal took 4 points off Manchester City last season. And I don't think Manchester City would love that to happen again. So I'm gonna go for a Manchester City win. Plus City are playing at home. Their striker is in red hot form. I mean, 9 goals in 4 matches. That's just crazy. So that's all for the Premier League. Back to South Africa. We've got fixtures. Magesi, the newly promoted side, playing against Polokwane City. Magesi lost yesterday, and Polokwane won against Amazulu. Magesi lost against Sikugune. So I see Polokwane City winning their second game of the season against Magesi. Eros playing against Gallants. Eros won last night playing against Stellenbosch, and then Gallants lost their first match against Kaizer Chiefs. So this one is a bit tough, but I'll give Eros the win because they're playing at home and they've got, you know, the drive from that win from yesterday, you know, playing against Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch is a good team and Eros won against them, so that's gonna come in handy when they play against Marumo Gallants. We saw how they played Gallants against Chiefs. They play good football, but I see Eros winning. And then we've got Amazulu playing against Kaizer Chiefs. I did say on that last video that doesn't matter who Chiefs is playing, guys. I'm gonna give Chiefs a win all day long. So I'm giving Chiefs the win, second win of the season. And then the last one, we've got Supersports playing at home against Royal AM. It's a tough one. Both not both teams, but Supersports losing their first game, Royal AM getting a draw against Cape Town City. But I see Supersports winning this one. Plus they're playing at home. Royal AM, yeah, they are a good side, but Supersports got a good coach in Gavin Hunt. I see Supersports winning. So guys, it's another 9 games that I've predicted. I hope everything goes according to my predictions. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back again for episode 5 of 18 area, and that's the other coming week where we're gonna have fixtures again. So guys, take care. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop a video, you'll be notified.